Hello friends, today we will design a t-shirt in Photoshop. Let's start. First, duplicate the layer. And pick pen tool and make a path where we put color. After making path, make selection of this path. Pick color and paste on shirt in selection area. Then repeat the selection process and then paste another color in it. After this, select again another color and paste on shirt in remaining part. After this, choose multiple from here. Now put the logo on shirt and after this, choose luminosity from here. After this, make new layer and pick brush tool and make cross line on shirt. Press Alt key and duplicate the line. After this, pick shirt layer and make selection on it. Merge the three lines in one layer and press Ctrl plus Delete and remove the background. Multiply this layer also. Double-click on the layer and apply texture and decrease the opacity a little bit. Now t-shirt is looking perfect. If you are new on channel, then subscribe this channel because we provide you high quality graphic designing tutorials.